I'm Daniel Rogan from Vufine. Vufine is a high-definition wearable display that attaches to glasses with a magnetic docking station. So unlike Google Glass, which is a wearable computer, Vufine is essentially just a micro monitor. It connects to anything capable of outputting HDMI signal with an HDMI cable. Most of our large use cases involve video feeds, so to avoid latency, the cable really solves a lot of problems for us. Our favorite use with Vufine is as a way to fly drones with FPV, so that way you can keep an eye on the craft while seeing what the craft is seeing, which allows you to maintain more situational awareness and the safety of your craft. But it also plugs into anything capable of outputting HDMI, such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, so it either mirrors the screen or works as a second display. So whether you're using a favorite fitness app or a GPS, Vufine's there for you.
Awesome. So what has been your greatest growth challenge so far?
I think once Kickstarter was over, now actually making it a reality is, at first when we were going to Kickstarter, it was a lot of fun. It was a little difficult just handling the volume of people. We had a lot of interest in our campaign, and then going from that to the real world has been, probably the biggest one is it's just not knowing what you don't know. Is so you find out, oh, we should have had this 3 weeks ago. Okay, great to know now.
Awesome. So what do you think the market potential for this product is?
We're very hopeful for it. As we've gone to a number of conferences. We just got back from Interdrone, which is a big drone convention in Las Vegas, where we won the Coolest Startup Award, and we've had tons of success on our Kickstarter. So we're really hopeful that there's a space for Vufine, and that it's different enough from things like Google Glass and VR stuff that it'll make its own space. And because it is only $169 to pre-order, it's very accessible for people, unlike some other technologies.
Cool. So what it is about your team that you find is qualifies you best for doing this?
Is we all met at a different wearable tech company, a Japanese company that ended up pulling back to Japan to focus on business. So we all have firsthand experience in this market. So when we came to Vufine, we had sort of already seen all the ins and outs, all the things people liked about Glass, things people preferred about VR, just the whole array of stuff, and talked to users and people who are interested in the technology.
Cool. So what's your marketing strategy so far?
So far, it's just been kind of get out there. After Kickstarter, it's just been travel everywhere, show it off to as many people as we can. A lot of times, I think the thing we fight is just sort of the expectation of Google Glass. Is people will walk by and be like, how is this not Google Glass? And to explain that is sort of to show them the other opportunities in this type of space. That the things on your face don't need to be another smartphone, that it can be a different platform that utilizes what you already have.
Great. So how do you plan on acquiring new customers?
I think definitely going to different conventions. Is at Interdrone we met thousands of people, and our pre-order sales went up from that. So we're just sort of going to keep doing that, and then keep online marketing, Facebook ads, keep growing the social media platform, as well as Google AdWord.
Awesome. And last question, if you could do anything differently from the beginning, what do you think it would have been?
Not entirely sure I can pin that down to one thing, but I wish I could have done Kickstarter again after Kickstarter ended. Could have gone right back to the beginning of that one. It went great, and it was a learning experience from start to finish, but there are just little things that would have probably tweaked on that one. Too many to even really mention.